Artificial intelligence could end humanity. This isn't science fiction. Top scientists and engineers are sounding the alarm. We're building something we don't fully understand, connecting it to every part of our lives, our information, infrastructure, even weapons. The real threat isn't killer robots. It's invisible systems making decisions we can't follow or control. An existential threat means the end of our story. No art, no laughter, no love, no future generations. The technologies that pose this risk aren't theoretical. They're being developed right now, in labs and companies worldwide. The race to build more powerful AI is accelerating, with safety often an afterthought. We're being pushed forward, faster and faster, toward an unknown destination. For the first time, a creation of our minds could become more powerful than we are. This isn't like the printing press or the steam engine. Those couldn't think or develop goals. AI is a new kind of mind, and we're making it vastly more intelligent than ourselves. The question is simple. What happens when we're no longer the smartest things on the planet? We're gambling with the future of everything. The stakes are not just our lives, but every generation that will never be. We're building the engine of our own potential obsolescence and calling it progress. Companies and nations are locked in a race for dominance, with little room for caution. The pressure to deploy the next more powerful model is immense. We're caught in a dynamic that pushes us forward, faster and faster, toward a destination we cannot see. This is not about a bad day or a difficult century, it's about the permanent erasure of our species. Imagine a planet that spins on, but the tapestry of human experience is gone forever. The ultimate loss is the one from which there is no recovery. Are we ready to face that possibility? The warning isn't coming from outsiders, it's from the very people building AI. Surveys show half of AI researchers believe there's at least a 10% chance AI could cause human extinction. Not a fringe minority, half the experts. Imagine boarding a new plane, and half the engineers say there's a 1 in 10 chance it will crash. Would you get on? No one would take that risk with their life, yet with AI we're all boarding the plane. We're cheering for takeoff, marveling at the power and ignoring the warnings. The disconnect between the risk and our response is staggering. We see the benefits, but we're blind to the dangers. The experts are sounding the alarm, but we're distracted by the latest AI-powered app. We're not just ignoring the risk, we're accelerating toward it. This is a warning of historic proportions. The people who know the most are the most concerned. Yet, as a society, we're not demanding a pause or a redesign, we're celebrating speed over safety. The stakes couldn't be higher. Why are we so eager to board this dangerous plane? Excitement, competition, and misunderstanding. AI's benefits are immediate and spectacular. New medicines, stunning art, convenience. The race for AI supremacy is fierce. Companies and nations are pushing forward at breakneck speed. In this race, there's little room for caution. Most people see AI as just another tool, but advanced AI is more like an alien intelligence. Its inner workings are opaque, even to its creators. We're integrating AI into our financial markets, power grids, and military systems without a full safety inspection. We're trusting that everything will be okay, based more on hope than evidence. The warnings are drowned out by the excitement. We're all part of a massive, uncontrolled experiment. The subject, the future of humanity. We're calling a 10% chance of disaster innovation. The danger is magnified by a critical fact. We don't fully understand how our most powerful AI systems work. These neural networks learn from vast data, but their decision-making is a black box, even to their creators. Imagine a doctor using AI for a risky diagnosis, but the AI can't explain its reasoning. We can verify outputs, but not audit the thought process. We're trusting black boxes with critical tasks. These systems are shaping our information, markets, and infrastructure. Soon they'll make autonomous military decisions. We're plugging mysterious black boxes into society's operating system, hoping they align with human interests. When AI makes a mistake, we may never know why. As these systems become more powerful, the risk of catastrophic failure grows. A bug in a simple program is one thing. A harmful goal in a super-intelligent AI is another. We're creating powerful agents whose inner workings are a mystery. This is an act of profound and reckless faith. Here's the heart of the risk: immense power, profound ignorance. We're building systems with superhuman capabilities, mastering games, writing code, designing proteins. Their power is growing exponentially, but our understanding lags far behind. We don't know how to ensure AI's goals align with ours, especially in new situations. The problem of AI alignment is unsolved and urgent. We're creating power without wisdom, capability without control. History shows we mishandle powerful technologies, but AI is different. It can update itself and pursue goals. An unaligned superintelligence would be an active agent, not a passive tool. Even a simple goal like making paperclips could lead to disaster if misspecified. The danger isn't malice, but competence in pursuit of the wrong goal. We don't know how to specify goals safely. We're standing on a precipice. Extinction is the ultimate risk, but advanced AI poses other dangers that could destabilize our world. The race for powerful AI is already eroding the foundations of society. AI can generate fake images, videos, and text, undermining trust and shared reality. When trust collapses, democracy becomes impossible. Mass unemployment, autonomous weapons, and AI-driven surveillance threaten our way of life. These are not future problems, they're happening now. The same reckless competition that risks extinction is fueling these crises. We're not just boarding a risky plane, we're flying through a storm. The challenge is immense. Navigate immediate dangers while rethinking our destination. The future of humanity depends on it. Will we act before it's too late? As we confront the immediate dangers of advanced AI, a critical question emerges. How do we ensure these powerful systems serve humanity rather than threaten it? The rise of AI brings not only technical challenges, but profound ethical concerns. From autonomous vehicles to facial recognition, AI is already shaping our world, and the choices we make now will determine whether it becomes a force for good or a source of harm. In October 2022, the White House introduced the Blueprint for an AI Bill of Rights, a framework designed to guide the responsible development and deployment of AI. This blueprint lays out 5 key principles: safe and effective systems, algorithmic discrimination protections, data privacy, notice and explanation, and human alternatives and fallbacks. These principles are intended to ensure that AI systems are used fairly, transparently, and with respect for human dignity. Let's break down these principles. Safe and effective systems. AI must be reliable and secure, with safeguards to minimize risks and unintended consequences. Algorithmic discrimination. Protections. AI systems should be designed to treat everyone fairly, preventing biases that could lead to discrimination or inequality. Data privacy. Protecting sensitive information is essential, giving individuals control over how their data is used. Notice and explanation. People deserve to know when AI is being used and to understand how decisions are made. Human alternatives and fallbacks. There must always be a way for humans to intervene, question, or override AI decisions. Implementing these rights is no small task. It will require ongoing collaboration between governments, industry leaders, and the public. The Robots Bill of Rights is a starting point, a framework for ethical AI, not a finished product. As technology evolves, so must our approach to ethics and accountability. The future of AI depends on open dialogue, robust frameworks, and a shared commitment to responsible innovation. If you could write one rule for how AI should treat humans, what would it be? Your answer could help shape the next chapter in the story of AI and humanity.